Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually in a different location than normal today. I am in my bedroom because I'm going to take you guys deep cleaning with me. I feel like I've mentioned the fact that I do Fly Lady. Each week she separates things into zones in your house, and I've been really working into minimalism and decluttering and kind of having more peaceful home. And so this week's zone is my bedroom and my bathroom. I think the master bedroom and bathroom, for example, in like last week's zone was my kids' rooms and like the laundry room and like a few rooms combined. So she gives us a checklist of stuff that we are supposed to do for the week, and I'm working on getting my stuff done for this week. And the first thing I'm going to be working on is decluttering my dresser, and then I'm going to go into decluttering my closet. And then as I go along, I just clean everything, and I have a donation box and a trash box nearby so that I can make sure that if I have to stop at any point in time, I'm not leaving a mess in the wake. Like, for example, whenever my husband was working on that stuff, it just got left there. So I'm gonna be working through that, and so I figured I would bring you along with me. So Fly Lady with me today, y'all. I'm actually working through the Fly Lady with my sister and my mom right now, and so it's really been helping the both of us and our families have a calmer, healthier, happier, less cluttered and like overall dusty household. And so I would very highly recommend it if you're a more of like a routine type of person. You'll really like. All right, into the video. I got my hangers with me to get started on this stuff up on the dresser, but right now I'm going to work through the drawers, and then I'm going to vacuum them out as I put stuff back in them. And then I have a pile of stuff right here beside me that I'm decluttering. All right, so I got my trusty vacuum. Y'all love this thing so much. This is the Tenneco vacuum, and I just got it, so I'm getting used to like how it works and stuff, but it has like a handheld component like this, and so it's easy to get inside drawers with it. All right, so here's the attachment for the corners. Drawers are actually my husband's drawers, and I don't declutter stuff that's not mine, so I'm gonna leave his stuff alone. But I am gonna go ahead and get this stuff right here hung up. Don't judge my blankets. We're in between blankets because I'm washing blankets, so you're probably like, oh my gosh, what in the world does she got going on? Okay, so I pretty much got the dresser cleaned off. I just need to wipe it down. I actually found quite a few things that were up here that I need to get rid of as well. And then I'm going to wipe down this up here so that it will be nice and clean. And like I said, the other dresser drawers are not mine, so I don't go through declutter my husband's stuff. I do clean out the drawers for him, but I don't declutter because it's not my clothes, so I don't want to be, getting rid of stuff that's not mine. Okay, so far this is what the dresser is looking like, and then I have that picture that needs to be hung over here. I have my box full of stuff that is like going away, and then my box full of stuff that just goes in another room. And now I'm about to hit these corners real good. Look at this one over here. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is the reason why you need to do the Fly Lady, because you didn't realize all that dust was back there until you moved stuff. So I'm about to pull the dresser out and then get going. Alright, so I feel good and confident that I got a good little bit of my fly lady done. You do have a whole week to do the zone, so I still have to declutter the closets. I still have to get the other side of the bed. So I just decided to do the left side of the bed. So everything that was on the dresser, in the dresser, vacuum out the dressers, wipe the dresser down, clean behind it along the baseboards. Tomorrow I'm going to tackle the other side of our bed, which is like my side, and clean out the nightstand and all that kind of stuff. And then I'm going to do the master thing. And I need to do stuff like, the linens, wipe down the headboard, get clean out from underneath the bed. And I'm confident that the more I do this, the easier it's going to be to get my zones done. So I'm just doing as much as I can in the week and giving myself grace. And then of course, the next time this zone comes around, it's going to be a lot easier to do because I will have already done it 4 weeks ago, or actually I think it's 5 weeks ago. At least like the deep cleaning parts of it. And then of course decluttering as you go helps you have less stuff to worry about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video cleaning with me. If you are interested in more clean with me videos, or more into like, how I'm going into my journey of minimalism and decluttering my house, and how, I housekeep and stuff like that, let me know and I'll do another Vlogmas on this, or maybe another part of the zone that we're in right now, which is the master bedroom and the master bathroom. So I hope you enjoyed this video, a little bit of more insight into my life and what I do behind the scenes when I'm not talking about micro locks. I love Vlogmas because I feel like it gives me like another view of people, of creators, as more than just like an expert or making videos and what we see them in all the time, but it kind of gives us a better view of them like overall. Okay, bye guys.